Rahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. Today I am going to teach you a very important trick, and this is my bet that 99.9% people are not knowing about this. You can check it. First of all, I have to open Microsoft Word. First type, this is the first line, and then you have to press three hyphens without the shift key, and then press enter and write this is the second line. Now ladies and gentlemen, you can ask any person to delete this line without deleting these lines. For example, if somebody deleting like this, then the line will be deleted, but those two lines will also be deleted. So I am going to tell you the solution of this. You have to select this line, and then you have to go to the grid lines, and here in the grid lines you have to select no border, and then this will go away. This is the only way you can remove this line without deleting the text. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel.